Hey Amanda, what you working on?
Wouldn't you like to know? So I'm working on a client project. We have a client in town. We're designing a bunch of rooms for her, and she just added on an extra room. So they added on a sunroom to the space. You want to check some of it out?
Sure.
All right. So let me show you what we have so far. So this is a sunroom space, so kind of like light, bright, airy. This is just kind of an add-on to the rest of her design plan. So here we have window treatments. We're gonna do some beautiful Roman shades. I'm gonna do, of course, because I'm the queen of trim, some banding, 2 rows of banding. This is a cute little love seat that we're gonna do, navy. We're right on the water, so we wanna keep it a little coastal. Pillows, and this is gonna be trim on her pillows as well. And then she has in the space, it's a space where you can lounge, but also where they can eat casual meals. So we have a table and chairs, and this is going to be the fabric on the seats. This is a Tebow fabric, high performance, love it. It's got all the right colors. And now I need to pick a couple of other things. I need carpet, I need some accessories. You want to come? Come on. So I need something that's like nice and dark for the floor because, you know, this is a space where they're going to be eating. So we don't want anything too light. We want it to be functional. That's super important. So we're looking for something probably in a deep color. The table is going to be a little bit lighter of a wood finish. So something a little bit darker. Let's see. Ooh, what about this guy? I like that. All right. Let's use this and let's grab some accessories. I love a seagrass pedestal. I mean, who doesn't love a seagrass pedestal? This is so fun. We can pop this onto one of the surfaces to create different heights. That's super important when you're doing interiors. And also, we have a cute little area that we have a little bit of space for. And I was thinking this settee. So again, the wood tone is totally right. I think the blanket, the pillow, it's perfect. It's all in our color family. So we'll get that going for her. And let's see, what else? So we have a big credenza that we're gonna have to style and stage. So definitely need some lamps. Those might be kind of fun. They have a little bit of that wood tone. I love me a polka dot. So I think those are kind of perfect. I love a little pop of white. So you always have to make sure you're mixing your textures. So here we have the seagrass, and then this is that crisp white. And then how about a set of wooden beads? Just something like that. And then I want maybe a little bit of color. So these are really cute, nice and nautical. These little decorative balls. Fish and coral, we love that, right? So, you know, we need a little vessel for the balls, so we'll pop those in there. That'll be a cute little accessory on the credenza. And then I'm kind of thinking we need a little bit of height, right? So these guys are kind of fun. So again, this is kind of, we're mixing textures. We're bringing different materials into the space. So these are wood and marble. And these will also give us some nice height on the credenza. Yeah. I'm liking the way this looks. So, you know, what are the next steps? The next steps are we have to get the client in here and have them review everything and approve everything. And then we wave our magic wand, we wiggle our nose, and